But first, a pit bull allegedly brutally beaten is now in the caring hands of a local animal sanctuary. Good evening. I'm Matthew LeBlanc. Amanda Kenny will join you tonight at 10. Now, before we go on, I have a warning for you. You may find this video we're about to show you disturbing. This dog here, found badly beaten and astray near Waco. The pit bull made its journey to Bryan College Station to receive medical care. KAGS HD News reporter Monica Castro was with Gideon when he arrived. We joined her in the studio. Monica, even in bad condition, the pit bull was in good spirits.
Yes, Matthew, the pit bull breed gets a bad reputation for being a vicious animal. However, meeting Gideon, he was far from a monster. In fact, he was licking his temporary caretakers. Overall, just a calm dog. Wagging his tail, giving kisses. This pit bull, the victim of what many believe is abuse. Gideon's first stop on the road to recovery was an ER visit in Waco.
It's very emotional to know how much pain he's in and to see the trauma that he sustained. It's difficult to maintain composure.
Julie Morris, the pit bull advocate, reached out to the Long Way Home Sanctuary via social media. April Plemons and volunteers brought him here to the Kingdom Animal Hospital. The dog's owner told police in Belmead Gideon was hit by a car, but an investigation is ongoing.
We are going to work the case as if it is worst case scenario and go forward that way.
Plemons says with the type of injuries, it's clear to her the dog was beaten.
His eye was dislodged from his head. It was exposed and bloody, and he had been beaten so viciously that his eye literally popped out of his head.
Gideon's right eye will be removed, and he may be permanently blind in his left eye. X-rays will determine if he received a skull fracture.
Sadly, we see a lot of cases of pit bull abuse, but when we saw this dog, it broke our hearts, and the community just rallied behind him.
And even after receiving these injuries, this pit bull is as gentle as can be, even sharing some kisses to the strangers who helped save his life.
Give me some sweet baby kisses.
He gives lots of pit bull kisses, which are awesome. If you've ever had pit bull kisses, they're awesome.
The hope that Gideon can live a happy, healthy life with a new caring family. Gideon will get his X-rays done tomorrow, and if you're interested in helping Gideon in his road to recovery, visit our KAGS website for a link to the Long Way Home Sanctuary page. Matthew?